Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open display settings on your laptop to begin restoring normal screen size. Click the display you want to fix if your laptop shows more than one. Find the resolution dropdown and choose the highest option available for that panel. The highest option is usually the native resolution, like 1920x 1080 or 1366x 768. Select that resolution and click Apply. Confirm and keep the changes when the image looks sharp and fills the screen completely. This ensures pixels map correctly and prevents scaling artifacts. After setting native resolution, you must set scaling to 100% to normalize size. Open Scale and Layout and choose 100% from the menu to keep one-to-one pixel mapping. Choose 125% only when your resolution exceeds 1920x 1080 and icons remain too small. Avoid custom scaling percentages to prevent blurry text in some apps. Press Sign Out or Restart when Windows prompts to apply scaling to all programs and system UI elements correctly. If the screen still looks odd, update your graphics driver to the latest version immediately. Open Device Manager or use the vendor app like Intel Graphics Command Center, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or AMD Radeon software. Also inspect HDMI, DisplayPort, or internal cable connections for loose contacts causing black bars or underscan. For external monitors, check their aspect and overscan settings and set them to 1, or full pixel mapping. Finally, adjust clear type and night light for
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.